is a science that explains the relationship between physical, mental, and spiritual human beings to achieve a holistic health system that was formed from ancient Indian culture. Yoga was first introduced in the Yoga Sutras written by Patanjali, a legendary figure from India who lived around 200 to 500 BC. The term yoga comes from the ancient Sanskrit language, namely yuj, which means union or self-unification. Yoga has three different meanings, namely, absorption, samadhi, ujjhate, linking, unakshi, and restraint, yojjhani. But the key meanings commonly used are meditation, dhyana, and unification, yukshi. Yoga is a union between the spiritual soul with the universal soul, or the limitation of thoughts that are always moving, or a systematic system of doing spiritual practice to achieve inner peace and doing physical exercise to achieve physical and spiritual health. So it is called jiva and mukti.